So continuing with the illustration number 15, I could not continue with it the last video. So you can see working capital is equal to 1,80,000. So I will use the formula CA minus CL. In the place of working capital, I will write 1,80,000 and assume current liability as X. I told you assume 1 as X. Now calculating the value of CA, it comes out to 1,80,000 plus X. Now I can use the value current ratio is equal to CA upon CL. In the ratio I can write 3 upon 1. CA ki value I have got out 1,80,000 plus X, and current liability I have assumed as X. Right, so it comes out to 3x is equal to 1,80,000 plus x. 3x minus x, 2x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 120 upon x is equal to 90,000. So therefore the current liability I have got is 90,000. Calculating the current asset, I can use 180 plus 90, which gives me 2,70,000. So I have calculated both the figures. Whenever you find any difficulty, just assume one figure as X and you will put it into the equation. You will get one item from another and the other from the first one, right, as we used in maths. Coming to quick ratio formula is CA minus stock upon current liability, which is 1.2. CA you already calculated 2,70,000. We do not know the amount of stock, so assume it X. Current liability we already know is 90,000. 90,000 into 1.29, so 80. It comes out to I think 78,000. Just calculate it. I don't know. 108 000 and is equal to 2,70,000 minus X. Taking X at that side is equal to 270 minus 108. You will get 1,62,000. So this gives you the amount of stock. So anytime you find any difficulty, you can just assume it X and you will be able to continue with the portion along with, right? You can do the 16th one, you can do 17th one, right? You can do 18th as well, because it is easy. It is not that much difficult. Maybe one difficulty you can find out. I can do the illustration 18th also. Just check out X limited. Inventory is given. That means stock is equal to 1,12,000, right? Liquid assets are given, which is 1,28,000. Quick ratio is given, which is 1.6. You need to calculate the current ratio. Please check out that stock is given. What was the formula of liquid assets? It was current asset minus stock. Liquid asset is given 1,28,000 is equal to CA minus 1,12,000. So you need to calculate the value of CA. Total out both of them, that is 128 plus 1,12,000, right? You will get 2,40,000 amount of current assets. Now I require to put the formula of quick ratio, because he told me to work out the current ratio. So I will have to calculate the current liabilities first, right? So please open the formula of quick ratio, which is CA minus stock upon current liability. Quick ratio is given 1.6. CA we have already calculated 240. Stock is already given 1,12,000 and upon CL. So 1.6 is equal to, this will give me 128 upon CL. So CL is equal to 1,28,000 upon 1.6. Please calculate this. I think it will come out to 61, almost 80,000. 86 or 48, yes, 80,000, right? And then we have to calculate the current ratio. So we will put the formula of CA upon CL, which is 240 upon 80. So 8 3s are 24, which gives out to the ratio is 3:1. Now with this formula you can do 19, 20, 21st, right? 22nd, up to 22nd you can complete this. Maybe in 21st and 22nd you can have a difficulty, but it's better that I won't leave it as a doubt. I can do 21st so that you can do 22nd. Please take a reading of the question. It says the ratio of current assets, which is given 6 lakhs, to current liabilities, which is given 4 lakhs, is 1.5. So you calculate the current ratio, CA upon CL, that is 6 upon 4, which gives out you 1.5:1. This is given in the question. The accountant of the firm is interested in maintaining the current ratio of 2:1. That means he wants to improve this ratio to 2:1 by paying off a part of current liability. That means he want to pay some current liability, right? He says that compute the amount of current liability which he should pay so that his ratio comes out to this. Please calculate the new ratio. New, that means amount of current assets and current liabilities, right? So I'm just modulating the formula. You can just see current ratio has to be CA upon CL, right? The ratio I want is 2:1, right? The previous current assets is 6 lakhs, the previous current liability is 4 lakhs. I want to reduce my current liability. What will happen if I reduce my current liability? My cash will move out, my current liability will reduce, right? Both ways you will find a negative thing. Now multiply, now you can just solve the equation to find out the value of x. 8 lakh minus 2x is equal to 6 lakhs minus x. So bringing 8 lakhs minus 6 lakhs comes out to 2 lakhs minus x plus 2x, that means x. That means if you pay the liabilities of 2 lakh rupees, then what will happen? This will be 4, this will be 2, so 4.2 gives you 2:1. So this is the amount you need to calculate. Same is the illustration number 22, and you will be able to do that. In the third part, we will be doing the next ratio, which is solvency ratios, right? Please do these questions up to illustration number 2 and then watch the next video, right? Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get up the latest updates as soon as I put the video. Thank you so much.